Okay, our homework tonight is going to be turning improper fractions into mixed numbers. So they'll get an improper fraction, which means that our numerator is larger than our denominator. So that's improper. So we need to turn this into a mixed number. We've got holes in here, and the way we solve these is with division. So I'm going to take my numerator, put it inside here. I'm going to take my denominator and make it the divisor. And now how many 5s are in 28? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. So there are 5 in there, 5 holes. Then 5 times 5 is 25, so I write 25 here. I subtract, and I have a remainder of 3. So the 3 is going to become my numerator. That's what's left over. That's how many pieces were left over. In order to get a whole, my denominator remains 5 because there's 5 pieces that I need to make a whole. And I have 3 left over, so 3/5. So my answer would be 5 3/5.